Monodox is a medication that is used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections, including those that cause acne. It is also used to prevent malaria. Monodox is a type of antibiotic called tetracycline, and it works by stopping the growth of bacteria. It's important to note that Monodox only treats bacterial infections and will not work for viral infections like the common cold or flu. Using Monodox when it's not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. The usual recommended daily dosage of Monodox is determined by your doctor based on your medical condition and response to treatment. It's typically taken once or twice a day, with or without food. It's important to take Monodox at the same time each day to maintain a consistent level of the medication in your body. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully and complete the full course of treatment. Before you start taking Monodox, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. It's best to take this medication by mouth on an empty stomach, usually 1 or 2 times daily. Take it with a full glass of water, unless directed otherwise. If you experience stomach upset, taking it with food or milk may help, but it may not work as well. Do not lie down for at least 10 minutes after taking this medication. Also, make sure to take Monodox 2 to 3 hours before or after taking any products containing aluminum, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, or bismuth subsalicylate. When using Monodox to prevent malaria, take it as directed by your doctor, usually once daily, starting 1 to 2 days before travel. Continue to take it daily while in the malarious area, and for 4 more weeks after returning home. If you are using the liquid form of Monodox, shake the bottle well before each dose. Make sure to carefully measure the dose using a special measuring device or spoon. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. For the best effect, take this antibiotic at the same time every day, and continue to take it until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if symptoms disappear after a few days. And remember to tell your doctor if your condition lasts or gets worse. If you experience stomach upset, diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting while taking Monodox, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. Remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to seek medical attention if you experience painful or difficult swallowing, signs of kidney problems, or severe headaches, nausea, vomiting, or vision changes. Additionally, contact your doctor if you develop diarrhea that doesn't stop, abdominal or stomach pain, or notice any changes in your mouth or vaginal discharge. If you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as fever, rash, swelling, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. And remember, do not use anti-diarrhea or opioid products if you experience these symptoms, as they may make them worse. If you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for further advice. Before taking Monodox, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, especially to other tetracyclines. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have trouble swallowing or any esophagus problems. It's important to note that Monodox may interfere with the effectiveness of live bacterial vaccines, so be sure to let your healthcare professional know that you are taking Monodox before receiving any immunizations or vaccinations. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using. It's important to limit your time in the sun and avoid tanning booths and sun lamps while taking Monodox, as it may make you more sensitive to the sun. Be sure to use sunscreen and wear protective clothing when outdoors, and notify your doctor if you experience any sunburn or skin redness. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits of using Monodox, as it may harm an unborn baby. Additionally, this medication can pass into breast milk, so be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions with Monodox, as they may change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Remember to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Monodox include retinoid medications taken by mouth, barbiturates, blood thinners, digoxin, anti-seizure medications, and strontium. Additionally, Monodox may interfere with certain lab tests, possibly causing false test results. Make sure lab personnel and all your doctors know you use this drug. Always follow your doctor's instructions and consult with them regarding any concerns about drug interactions. If someone has taken too much Monodox and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call their provincial poison control center for assistance. It's important not to share Monodox with others. If you're using Monodox to prevent malaria, it's important to know that you can still get the disease even if you're taking the medication. To prevent malaria, avoid getting bitten by mosquitoes, especially from dusk to dawn, by staying in well-screened areas, wearing protective clothing, using insect repellent and bed nets. Monodox has been prescribed for your current condition only, so don't use it later for another infection unless your doctor tells you to. While taking this medication, you may need to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as a complete blood count and liver/kidney function tests. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose of Monodox, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Monodox, make sure to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Different brands of Monodox may have different storage needs, so be sure to check the product package for specific instructions or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets, and to not store them in the bathroom. When it comes to discarding Monodox, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. Taking outdated tetracycline-related drugs like Monodox can lead to serious illness, so it's important to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.